a little bit on West India and get you some great property options in Pune, Nagpur and Navi Mumbai. Let's start with Pune. Ramesh Dalmia on the phone line with us. Ramesh, hi, shoot your question.
Yeah, I have booked a flat in Ovo Lush Life in Pune. This is NIGM NX Undri area.
Okay.
It's a 3 BHK. So, about the project and the water supply, water scarcity, I heard there's a lot of water in the area.
Okay, I know. I read your email and even I was wondering. So, Undri has actually had a lot of water shortages, isn't it, Sameer? So, are there any new infrastructure plans there?
Yeah, Undri has a notorious reputation of water shortage, and the government is planning 2 new water tanks in the nearby Vanavri area. And right now, Vanavri area doesn't have too much water crisis, so these water tanks will be a boon to Undri. As such, coming back to the project that you have shortlisted, it definitely gets a go-ahead from our side. The weighted average price of the market is 5,300 and this project is just in line with the market at 5,400 rupees a square foot. The total project area is about 8.5 acres and it's located at the NIB MNX road just behind the Bishop School, and Coriantham Club is only 1 kilometer away, so very good location. Phase 1 is open for bookings and this area is developed quite beautifully, and this project is also having good amenities like cricket pitch, basketball court, private theatre, world-class gym and tropical landscape, pet park. So I think this project should do reasonably well going forward. And coming to the key data points, we have 22 months of inventory overhang here and the luxury segment's weighted average price is 5,300. For our other viewers, there are 2 other projects that they can look at. One is Godrej Properties project called Godrej Horizon. This is on 8.64 acres of land with 5 towers being developed in phases, and this has got a 70,000 square feet central park with 2 swimming pools and recreational area, and construction is in advanced stages. And this is a pre-gold certified IGBC building. Lastly, we have Naiti, one of the largest developers in Undri by the Naiti Group. Eternity Phase 2 is the project of 14 acres of land with 12 stories of towers. The construction is in advanced stages here, and all building plans are approved by the top banks, and they have 6 to 7 amenities, basic clubhouse amenities like pool, clubhouse, sit-out areas, children play area, etc.
All right. So we are kind of confident that Undri's water shortage problems, Mr. Dalmia, should get over quite soon. So, well, you've shortlisted a great project. That's a go-ahead, and also Godrej Horizon, near the Eternity Phase 2. 2 projects from our end. You can take a look at all 3 and then choose the best. Rajneesh Chauhan on the phone line with us. Hi, Rajneesh. I believe you want to buy something in Nagpur. Go ahead. How can we help you?
Hello, madam. Good evening. I am planning for home or flat at Nagpur, and my budget is around 50 to 60 lakhs, and it should be luxurious apartment with all amenities like security park and parking and etc.
All right.
And should be 2 or 3 BHK.
Okay, that's a decent budget actually for Nagpur. Go ahead.
The metro station.
Next
It
to
is
the
proposed near metro station. Yeah.
near to the metro station. You'd also asked for Ensara Metro Park, Sameer. So let's begin with the project analysis first. Is that a project he can go ahead with?
The Ensara Metro Park is a decent project at 4,200 rupees a square foot. Here, the weighted average price of this market is actually slightly higher. That is the only cause of concern from our side. It's trading at about 3,800 rupees a square foot as such. And the other thing is, so this is slightly on the higher side. There's a 30-acre biodiversity park in this project. It's a 300-acre integrated township with 20 acres of central garden and 8 acres of man-made lakes. So keeping these amenities in mind, we think the price is quite justified. So you can go ahead with it. And social infrastructure in this area is quite good. There is a VT convent school, there is Reliance Fresh, Sanjeevani Hospital is there. So all these factors make a location very good. A township benefit that comes to you justifies the premium. Coming back to other areas that we've shortlisted slightly cheaper, Mihan with 14 months of inventory overhang, Amravati Road at 19 months, and Pipla region, which is where this project is, at 22 months. The weighted average price of Mihan is the lowest, so you can consider that area as well at 3,000 rupees a square foot for the mid segment. Amravati is slightly higher at 3,800, and Pipla being the highest at 4,000. Price appreciation at Pipla has been the highest, 15% annualized, with Amravati at 8% and 10% for Mihan because of the social infrastructure in place over there. The other two projects that you can consider are Bloomdale Phase 3 by Mahindra Life Spaces in Mihan at 3150. This is a big project spread into 25 acres with apartments, row houses and duplexes. Project is work has just started and the project will be handed over in 2017. The IT companies that are operational here are TCS and IBM, and this area will be a good bet to invest in over a long period. Lifestyle by KK Associates Builders and Developers is the last recommendation on Amravati Road. This is a 6-acre development, G plus 5 stories, so mid-rise project located just off Amravati Road in Wadi area near the Modern College, and project is located 2 kilometers from the Nagpur University and 5 kilometers from the main city.
Sameer, I'm quite excited to see the returns in Mauza Pipla. This is a market in Nagpur which has given almost 15% annualized returns. So what are the curious facts about this market?
Like I was mentioning about this area, this area has got very good social infrastructure in place, and schools, hospitals, colleges, all of them are in the nearby vicinity, and it's much closer to the main city. These are the main factors why this area is doing far better. So proximity to, it's becoming a central location for the future.
All right, fair enough. So Mauza Pipla, and then of course two more locations that we've just shown you. Mihan, that's one of the upcoming markets. Nagpur 50 to 60 lakhs. Those are some of the recommended projects. Let's move on. We've got a caller for Navi Mumbai. Sanket on the phone line with us. Sanket, hi. Shoot your question. Go ahead.
Hi Manisha, Sanket here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Manisha, I was looking for a property in Panvel, especially by the Godrej Builders, and I just want to know what is the future, benefit of that property as an investment point of view, and if in case I think to reside in that property, how would be the communication part, transportation part in the coming next 4 to 5 years?
All right. So Panvel particularly, Sameer, we've known that it's been a hugely investor-driven market. The airport flip-flop has also dragged it down a little bit. What do you think?
Well, we think that Panvel micro market is going to become quite exciting with now the airport news coming back and that becoming a reality. Whatever the investors were betting on is finally going to give them the fruits over a period of time, with the airport work starting soon, I would say in a year or two's time. This micro market today still witnesses a very slow moving inventory at 30 months. So that's a little bit of a cause of concern, and a lot of developers had come into the markets. Total projects are about 124. But the prices have steadily risen, even though at 5,000 rupees a square foot today they stand at on the weighted average price scale. And the price appreciation, although has come down to about 11% annualized. The Godrej City project is a go-ahead from our side. It's below the weighted average price of the market. It's a 150-acre township. It's on pre-launch. That's why the price is attractive. Located just 500 meters off the old Mumbai-Pune highway. And there are two more recommendations from our side. Hillcrest by Chamunda Infrastructure. This is a 1 BHK project of 640 square feet where you can get standalone G plus 13 4-story project with basic amenities only, but the price point is reasonably okay. And Kailash Uptown by Kailash Group in Panvel, this is also a standalone building of G plus 12 stories. Construction is at mid-stage in this project. Top floral slab work is going on, and this is located in Sector 6. Again, a basic clubhouse and gym are there. So we would definitely request you to consider Godrej, which is the best of the three projects.
All right, so two more projects which have come up, but the one that you've shortlisted, Sanket, in Panvel seems to be the best option anyway, which is Godrej City, Godrej Properties. Let's bring up the other two recommended projects as well. And Sanket, just you need to take a look at that inventory overhang figure, 30 months. So there's a lot of supply. Sales are slow, but Mumbai being a curious market, that it really actually doesn't come down. Prices don't come down. So you have to keep an eye on that factor, that prices may not come down, but going forward, 13 to 14% may not be the kind of appreciation you may see in the Panvel market. You might have to hold on for 4 to 5 years. If it's not an end-use decision and only an investment decision, do keep a long-term view. All right, with that, we're going to wrap the show for today. Sameer, thank you very much for taking all our questions and giving us all the recommendations on the best properties to buy. To all of you, do keep writing to us with your feedback and questions, property@ndtv.com. Goodbye from me, and thanks so much for joining us.